We've got a 2009 Mercury OptiMax, 2 to 5 horsepower, with a low water pickup from the sides. So if you want to change the oil, I want to show you how to do that. Then you must loosen the screw. Careful that it doesn't fall in. The motor has been tilted up. Then tilt the motor down. Okay, that water that's coming out is just from the assembly, it's not from the gearbox itself. Always be careful, there must be no water in at all. Okay, so the oil is not yet coming out. First you have to loosen the top screw. Always remember that there are seals, usually we just replace the seals. Top screw being removed and oil comes out. That's what the oil looks like. No debris or water. Right, so we're draining the oil. It takes a while to drain. Obviously we have to remove the prop first. Okay, so start trimming the motor up. Motor trimmed up, you're going to insert your special tool that gets provided by Quicksilver or DLM or Mercury. Connector system. Pressurize your pump. The gear oil, high performance gear oil is on the inside there. Pressurized, you open up your tap. Then, obviously, the oil is going to come out there, then you know it's full. Right, so the moment it comes out, you just close the tap on your pump machine and Bob's your uncle. Now you have to replace the lock pins or the retainer screws. Remember to always change the washers as well. And use the Mercury washers on this system first. For the bottom part. Tighten it, make sure it's tight, but obviously not too tight. There you go, the oil's been changed, and that's what it looked like. Time to put back your prop. Redrockat out.